So in this topic, let us look at submultiple formulas. These are very closely related to multiple angle formulas. So the difference being you go for theta by 2's and theta by 3's in these formulas. So sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So previously what we have written is sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. This is a multiple angle formula, that is you go from theta to 2 theta. So here you go going from theta to theta by 2, or using theta by 2's you're getting theta. Here using thetas you're going for 2 thetas. Here using theta by 2's you are going for theta. So whatever angle is used here, what is 2 theta, theta and theta? So you have an angle here, and on the right hand side you have half of this angle and half of this angle. So if this 2 theta has become theta, so this theta will become theta by 2 and theta by 2. So sine theta can be written as 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, and 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2, because sine 2 theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. So whatever angle is here, you get half of that here. So if there is theta here, you get theta by 2 here. Similarly, cos theta is cos square theta by 2 minus sine square theta by 2, so on. And tan theta is 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 minus tan square theta by 2. Cot theta is 2 cot square theta by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot theta by 2. Similarly, you can go for a in terms of a by 3 also. So sine a is 3 sine a by 3 minus 4 sine cube a by 3. So this is coming from the formula sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a, right? So whatever angle is here, you get 1/3 of it here and 1/3 of it here. So sine a, so what is the 1/3 of a? A by 3, and 1/3 of a is a by 3. Similarly, cos a is 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. Tan a is 3 tan a by 3 minus tan cube a by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square a by 3. So these formulas constitute what we call submultiple formulas.